Here we are in the bathroom.
Where are we?
We're in LuAnne's.
I called it the Lovely LuAnne.
The LL.
Lovely LuAnne house.
All right. Well, I guess we ought to start in here. I don't need to talk. You just kind of need to do and then we'll describe what's going on. We've had so many calls from everybody wanting this house.
Yes.
Duplicate. It's 10 by 28. It's really our freedom style. And LuAnne, you designed this.
I did.
Yep. And it is beautiful. So let's
Lynn's
point
like,
out.
great.
I did. I did.
Didn't know we were doing a video.
Yep. So I've come in here and I'm doing she's got designs of it. I'm going to draw it up again. And we're going to offer this as one of our model homes.
It's so pretty.
Yeah. And so we probably, I don't know if we'll go with the white ceilings. We may go with a what do you call it? Neutral or a earth tone or stain gray, just a polyurethane ceiling
Okay. Mm-hmm.
in trim. But anyway, it'll come painted. Her cabinets are what we built in the shop when we used to build our cabinets. Mm-hmm. But this is like an 18-inch cabinet here. This has got her, I'm going to open her drawers.
Oh my
Her drawers.
LuAnne was not expecting any of this today.
Look. And LuAnne, you come up with all this, didn't you? You put this in here. So we want to point out today, well, that's beautiful ambiance music. But I wanted to point out today what she's actually done that we won't include in the model. And LuAnne, part of this was these shelving. Where'd you get these at?
Amazon.
Amazon. So
Perfect.
see how they telescopic out? They're really cool. And
Look what it holds.
I know it holds a lot.
lots of food. And they're canned goods. I mean, this is some heavy, heavy stuff in here.
Yeah.
And it's holding it up perfect. These are good slides. So we're going to do this cabinet, but this would come from you all installing this, not us, right? We got a cooktop, range hood. Is there anything you would change in your kitchen now that you've done it?
You know, I had said once that the cooktop was great, and it is, but I think I would maybe have a portable cooktop, just because I don't cook a lot.
Yeah.
Me either.
So,
yeah.
and a lot of times, you know, we've had
Yeah.
like parties in here.
Yeah.
So just to be able to like have that whole counter area, but it's not a big deal. But
If we install that, can you still use that area?
oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we
So you
still
still set stuff on it and that? Okay. So there's her cooktop, range hood, microwave, and then you did the shelving, or did we do that shelving for you?
I bought the brackets and Brett put it up.
Okay,
told
I
him
get
what
you.
wanted.
So we did that.
Now
Yep.
that's one of the favorite things that in this house is that most people would not put the shelving across the window, but it looks perfect. It really works
I
out
like
nice.
it. Yeah.
I do too.
Yep. And some other people have done this after seeing this video because we've done that video. I bet it's got 1 million views on it from Jenna, Giant House Tiny Journey or whatever it is.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's the shelving, and then you got another storage up here. You like this?
Yeah, it's great.
Yep. And that's where her mini split is. And this is really mostly use it for decorating and stuff,
Yeah,
you
I
know.
mean, there's like photos and stuff in some of the baskets and scarves. And
Yeah.
like it's
Like for storage.
yeah, little
Yeah.
storage.
I'm on. I didn't know if my microphone was on. Okay, so we're going to try to duplicate this. Of course, you got a fire extinguisher or fire head sprinkler system in here. You got your fan, and then
Smoke detector.
this beautiful table.
I
To
love
think
this.
that this size table can fit in here. So this thing's 52 by 35.
It's a big table.
And you can actually walk around this whole table, and there's enough to seat, gosh, several people here.
We did 12 the last time.
12.
Wow.
For Easter we had 12. So we
Wow.
had 5 there, 6 here, and I sat at that table.
Wow.
Yeah. As you guys can see, it's for entertainment. The TV fits perfect inside this area, and the sconce lights from here to here. Both sides, kind of accents this window area.
Yeah.
Air
An
exchanger.
exchanger.
Yep. Beautiful. The two windows, the kitchen window, the glass. I mean, this is all natural light.
Well, and too, and I want to ask her as well, like you just said, would you change anything in here, in the bedroom, anywhere?
No, I don't think so.
It's so great.
Yeah.
Cool.
I really do.
Do you sleep down here at all?
If there's a windstorm, I'll sleep down. I had a friend who had a tree come through her roof in her house once, and then so like
Okay.
there's a really bad windstorm. We sleep down here, but otherwise we sleep up.
Just to give
Yeah.
you a chance.
Yeah, it's like, oh, if a tree comes down, at least
Yeah.
we're not in
I
the
mean,
loft.
it's,
Yeah.
and this is a day bed,
Yeah.
which is
I
super,
love it.
gosh, super
Super
cozy
comfortable.
watching TV.
Really cozy.
Wow.
Well, one of the things that draws your eye, as soon as you come in, you look to the right, and this storage is so crucial in a tiny home.
Yeah.
She has. I can't imagine you are lacking anything being
No.
in a tiny home.
That's the most storage I've ever seen in a house.
And so organized and so
Clean.
clean looking. That's what the big thing
Yep.
is, because it can look
Yeah.
cluttered very quickly, and it doesn't.
You know what? But it still looks homey because she still got
does.
stuff in there, but it's nice. It's like, this is what I love coming in people's houses. You can tell this is your house.
Yes.
And you got your books, and they're not all perfectly, and all this stuff, and there's been all that stuff you've read. And I don't know, it's just
It looks so beautiful.
real at home.
I
Yeah.
love it. And
And
that storage, look at all the storage she has underneath.
yeah. And this little guy, I'm sure you just bought this. Was this
It's Hobby Lobby.
Hobby
Really?
Lobby?
Yeah. When you came the first time, I had that little cart that had art
Yes.
supplies. Yeah.
That's
All these
perfect.
little
I have
drawers.
a lot of art supplies.
Isn't that
That is
neat?
perfect. I even love, I saw at the very corner down there on the bottom, she has her tools. All of us ladies, we have a little tool bag because they're a necessity now.
Yeah, got a guitar right here, and
Yep.
this is his home. Little fireplace under there.
Yes.
Here's
right
something.
there. Where did you buy the fireplace? Amazon? or-
Wayfair.
Wayfair. Wayfair's great as well.
Yeah.
This
And then
is so great.
this came from Amazon,
IKEA.
IKEA. So all this storage, and you assembled it and put it together. And,
Yeah.
Yep.
Anthony helped me put it together, and then
Yeah.
I built the little inserts.
Okay.
And those all come from IKEA too.
IKEA, the
And
baskets.
IKEA is more affordable than what you think.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
No, it wasn't a bad price at all. But I bought it when I was in Washington and shipped it in my container in my little pod because
Yeah.
there's no IKEA around here.
No, there's not.
So I have to go to Charlotte.
Yeah, Charlotte.
Atlanta.
Yep.
I think Atlanta's the closest, and that's 4 hours. So.
Man.
Wait till we show you this. She actually has a hallway, which is very rare in a tiny home.
Well, did you build that, or did we build that for your books?
Brett built it.
Built it. Okay, so we included that. Awesome. I got to figure out how tall those are. 15
I just kind of
inches.
measured my books and.
Yeah,
and my
I know. You
window.
got 15 and 10. That's awesome.
That's great.
Gosh.
So, are
She-
we
you
ready
wanted
for
to-
the bathroom?
Yeah, come on in here.
And
Was kind of where we
Ace
started.
knows his way in. He wasn't.
So this here is, let's see how long this is,
Yeah.
the storage area. It's 6 foot.
Really?
Yeah. Yep. Almost 6 by 6.
Wow.
Yep. And then there's a closet down here that she just got a curtain over.
Which
That
is
I-
great.
It's just so
That holds
functional.
a lot of clothes.
Yep. All of her stuff.
Now,
Yep.
look at this big
Barn door.
barn door. Beautiful.
Yeah, this barn door
Isn't
is.
that pretty?
Yep. Every bit of 38 inches. It's got a big opening. So the actual opening of the bathroom is 37 inches to
I
get in
can't
here.
wait to show this bathroom.
Go ahead
this
in there.
bathroom is just, let me start here.
So you got your combo
Yep.
washer and dryer. How do you like your combo washer and dryer, LuAnne? It works great.
It does. I'm
Awesome.
happy with it. Yeah.
Man.
So, because you just do little loads, like
Really?
throw a load in a day.
Yeah.
Like if I have to do a comforter or a blanket, I'll go to the laundromat.
Yeah.
But for a pair of pants, cup tops,
What's your duration of time it takes to do everything?
I do the short cycle. It's an hour and 20 minutes.
That's not
Wash and dryer.
bad.
That's nothing.
Is it quiet? Can you run it at night before you go to bed, or?
You can. It vibrates.
Does it?
The house when it does a spin cycle. So,
Yeah.
So as long as you realize that's going to happen.
Yeah.
One time I woke up and I was like, oh wait, it's just the dryer.
Yeah.
I'm like, we've been hit by something.
Not an earthquake.
Yeah, exactly. It felt like an earthquake.
Now your vanity, you bought that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't remember where I got it.
I
Maybe
know.
Lowe's? I think it might have been Lowe's.
Everything in here is just
Oh
awesome.
my gosh. So
Yep.
great.
36-inch shower. Yep. And the window, the pucks, you got 3 puck lights. Tankless water heater. I bet you love that, don't you?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And then look at this, how the detail, what was done here.
Yeah.
That looks really nice.
Well, this is when we did custom homes.
Yes.
You know? And so what I've got to do is figure out how we can make this work on a more of a model line
Right.
to get the cost and what we need to have, you
So
know.
you're here today measuring, and we're taking pictures
Yeah.
and things like that.
Yep. You want to, and gonna go upstairs and show that?
Yep. Let me show the steps going up.
Plan.
Yep. And we'll measure that dormer. And like you guys pointed out earlier, this is 2 foot wide, this staircase. And like LuAnne was saying, you feel safe in here because you got everything to grab a hold of.
Yeah.
You know,
you're not
you got
gonna fall.
You got your walls to lean up against. You got this to hold of. Yep.
Yeah, you're not gonna fall. And two, there you can see the closet right here. She has a lot of clothes.
Yeah.
It can hold a lot of clothes, that closet.
Wow. God, look at all her stuff. I mean, your stuff up here, LuAnne. I love it.
Well, no, don't film it's dusty up there.
Aw.
Oh, it's beautiful. It is so pretty.
It's
so
cozy, isn't
comfortable.
it?
It's so cozy.
Yeah.
Did you
Gosh.
see it, Randy? Come up here.
Yeah, I need to.
Don't you get on her bed.
Wow. Look at the whole loft is a bed.
I know. This is the way to do a
Slumber
loft.
party at LuAnne's.
This is the way to do a loft, I think. Oh, neither one of us turned our phones off.
Yeah, it's a 10-foot dormer.
Sorry, Amber.
Awesome.
Amber's calling.
Yep. You know, somebody called earlier and said they didn't want a dormer. They wanted just an RJO straight gable because of snow load. Well, I want to remind everybody that these roof lines, even though they have a minimum slope, are super strong. I mean, we use big 2x8 rafters that are not seamed in the middle. They don't have a ridge beam. It's a solid
Yeah.
2x8 rafters that are straight across with yellow pine. So they can withstand. Of course, look at the house that was picked up and thrown in a river.
I know.
Was built just like this
And
and
didn't
floated.
fall apart.
Yeah, it didn't fall apart or anything.
Unbelievable. So I'm sitting on the ledge right here, Randy.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, Randy, show this really quick, like where I'm sitting, just to show the headroom.
All right. Let's see here.
So I'm sitting here, right here on the, and she's got everything padded. This is what I would do. I would have, it's all her bed, and I would either have carpet or have all, she's got a nice, this is a nice cushion, thick, probably about 2 or 3 inch cushion.
Oh, yeah.
Right here. It's super soft, and I would have this right here, hanging purses, hats, whatever extra, she's got her backpack and everything, got a little basket
Man.
with stuff.
So
Oh
functional.
my gosh, it's so functional. I absolutely love it.
Hang on, let me get you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, me going down. So I'm 5, what did I say? I was 5'6". So I'm kind of, you see how it is right here. So I'm coming down. I got my big Carhartt boots on.
Your clunky clunks.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm coming down, and you can hold on to everything. So there's no way that you're going to fall. And then you're right here in the bathroom. Isn't that
Wow,
great?
this is nice.
Oh, I love it. Here, let me have it. Let me shoot it that way. Everybody, they're trying to get a hold of us. Amber just called me too.
Perfect. Well, I'm going to go and do a
Draw it
drawing,
Yeah.
and we'll get it out. Tim said he's been bombarded with calls on this house,
Yes.
and so we'll get it out there to you guys.
Oh, let me look at you. It's so pretty. It's so pretty.
We're going to call this the
Oh,
Lulu
yeah.
house.
Lovely
LuAnne.
LuAnne.
Lovely LuAnne.
Lovely LuAnne.
Aw.
Thank you so much. She did not know we were going to do a video.
No.
She did not know she's going to be on a video.
LuAnne's always been sweet.
And I can't believe how clean your house is. I mean, it's amazing. It's so beautiful.
Aw.
But thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Well, we're going to go back to the drawing board.
Yeah.
Get this out. This is nice. This is exciting.
Yeah.
I love when people contribute to what we're doing. Your design, man, I just want to build homes. I love building, so.
Well, one thing that she touched on too, I want to
Ace.
make sure that we bring up is that with the community, and they gather and meet a lot, like all the friends around here and stuff. So to have, because I even saw a picture up there of everybody around
Look.
and stuff. There's room for everybody. They make room, and it ain't just LuAnne's house; it's everybody else's house too that they do that as well. So.
I know. I need to build a lodge, and it's in my plans. So, yep.
But this, you know what? I don't think the tight spaces bothers everybody because that's what's bringing everybody close again. Like
Yeah.
I've said before, and like we're all around the same age, that we remember being kids. You was always at somebody's house, either visiting them or they're visiting you. So this is really bringing that back, and I'm so glad because country couldn't need it more. You know what I'm saying? Everybody coming
Yeah.
back together. So
It is.
I'm very proud to hear about everybody gathering and everybody helping and and stuff. So it's exactly what we wanted the communities to do.
Yep.
And it's happening.
Yep.
So.
Yep. LuAnne, you know I've said it over again. Every time I see you and every time I come in here, it's just, you make me feel so good. So thank you. She's just she's a sweet lady. Yeah. Yep. And it reflects
It does.
everything in here.
It really does. Yep.
All right. Thank you. I'm going to the drawing board.
Going to the drawing
You
board.
guys want this, give us a call.
All right.
Bye.